So I'm out here at Kirkcudbright Bay for episode 7 in my Coastline series, the entire coastline of Scotland by drone. And today I'm going to fly around the bay and up along St Mary's Isle there. So sit back, relax and enjoy this flight.
Kirkcudbright tune, the wee plane climbs o'er the silver bends o' the dee, where the old kirk bells o' Cuthbert rang, and the sea wind sings sae free. The harbour lies in the morning light, the mast stands still a wee while, then awa we drift wi' the clouds abune past the trees o' St Mary's Isle. O'er St Mary's Isle we're flying with a Solway gleaming white, through the hame old Galloway, where the tides and stories bide. Aye, the years hae come and gane, yet the bay keeps every smile, and the wind still kens the road we tak o'er bonny St Mary's Isle. The Priory's gane, but the landmines still, where the cannons walked lang syne, and the dee slips roamed the wooded shore like a thread through the march o' time. The Maxman's lake lies calm below, the mud flats stretch for a mile, and the gulls cry out tae the coming tide round the point o' St Mary's Isle. O'er St Mary's Isle we're flying with a Solway gleaming white, through the hame old Galloway, where the tides and stories bide. Aye, the years hae come and gane, yet the bay keeps every smile, and the wind still kens the road we tak o'er bonny St Mary's Isle. Little Ross keeps watch at the bay's far gate, its licht